Okay, today I'm going to show you how to do this. I love it. Just a nice accent that you can add to your zipper pull. Very easy and fast. So I cut my strip 3/8 of an inch by, this is about 3.5 inches. You can make it a bit longer or shorter, just do as you desire. So, you cannot use every kind of zipper pull. Whatever zipper pull you have, make sure it has this hole so that you can put this through. So I'm going to put this strip through this hole like this. The next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to line it up, the wrong sides together this way. And just to add some fun to it, I'm going to cut it at a slanting position like this. And then I clip. The next thing, I'm just going to sew it together, just at the middle. Just one straight stitch line at the middle. If you feel more comfortable, you can, if you don't feel comfortable doing it this way, you can also put a little glue in the middle. When it is dry, then you sew it. I think I can get through it without the glue, so that's what I'm going to do. It's cute. This is just a little way you can add some personal touch to your bags. I love it.